This is the screencast for section 1.3, example 8. Example 8 is a pretty broad question. Does the graph of y equals natural log of x have a horizontal asymptote? So it's asking, as we go out to positive infinity on the x-axis, is there a maximum value that the function approaches? That's going to be a lot of exploring on our calculator. So at this point it looks like the graph is going to be approaching maybe y equals 3, y equals 2, I don't know. I need to zoom out further. So I'm going to hit my window and I'm going to say my x max, I'm going to set that to be, I don't know, let's try 100. Let's go crazy. Well, I could see that the y values go above 2 or 3 or even 4. Maybe now they look like they're about approaching 5. So I'm gonna add a couple zeros to that x max. See what happens. Oh, now we're way up to maybe we're approaching 10. But I'm going to see higher on the y-axis too. So now let's change my y max to 20. And let's go out on the x max. Let's go another 0. So now on the x-axis, we're going to be seeing out to 100,000. But on the y-max, we're only going to see out to up to 20. Let's see. I can't really tell if we've passed 10 yet. Let's keep going. Let's put another 0 on the end of the x max. So now we're going out to 1,000,000. Yeah, we're definitely past 10, maybe approaching, oh, I don't know, 16, 17. Well, let me just put an end to this. There is no horizontal asymptote for y equals natural log of x. We're going to explore the natural log of x more in chapter 3, but for right now you need to be aware that there is no horizontal asymptote for y equals the natural log of x. The now try problem for example 8 is number 55. It says the function f of x equals the natural log of e to the x is one of our 12 basic functions written in another form. Well, it's weird because I see the natural log of x and I say e to the x, so it could be either one of those. It says graph the function and identify which basic function it is. So in my calculator I put in y equals the natural log of e, which is second division sign, to the x power. Hit zoom 6 and graph, and I actually see that isn't a third basic function. That is the basic function y equals x. Interesting. We're going to learn a little bit more about that in section 1.5 and a lot more about that in chapter 3.